What if you could buy real estate in a market where the property pays you every month and has a realistic chance to grow in value? That's the dream for many investors, but finding both cash flow and appreciation requires looking beyond the usual hype. Today, I'm breaking down 5 U.S. real estate markets worth watching in 2026. These aren't guaranteed winners, and local neighborhoods can perform very differently, so always run the numbers before buying. 5. Huntsville, Alabama. Huntsville has become one of the Southeast's most interesting growth markets, supported by aerospace, defense, technology, and expanding employment. For investors, the attraction is the combination of population growth and relatively affordable housing compared with many major U.S. metros. The strategy: look for properties near employment centers and established neighborhoods where rents can support the purchase price. 4. Indianapolis, Indiana. Indianapolis deserves attention for a simple reason: the numbers can still work. Compared with many coastal markets, investors may find lower acquisition costs, strong rental demand, and multiple employment sectors supporting the local economy. The key here is not chasing the cheapest property. A slightly more expensive property in a stable rental neighborhood can outperform a bargain house with constant repairs and weak tenant demand. 3. Charlotte, North Carolina. Charlotte brings something many investors want: economic growth plus population growth. Banking, finance, healthcare, technology, and professional services have helped make the region a major business hub. The challenge: competition and rising prices can compress cash flow. My approach would be to focus on suburbs and emerging areas where rental demand is strong, but avoid assuming every rapidly growing neighborhood will automatically appreciate. 2. Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas. DFW is enormous, diversified, and constantly evolving. Population growth, corporate relocations, infrastructure investment, and a broad employment base make it a market worth monitoring. But here's the reality: a hot market doesn't automatically mean a great investment. Property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and financing costs can dramatically change your cash flow calculation. Run the deal using conservative assumptions, not today's best-case scenario. 1. Columbus, Ohio. My number 1 market to watch is Columbus. Why? It offers a compelling combination of economic diversification, population growth, education, healthcare, technology, and relatively accessible housing compared with many major markets. For investors seeking both income and long-term potential, Columbus can be especially interesting when you target neighborhoods with strong rental fundamentals rather than simply buying wherever prices are rising fastest. The reality check. Here's the biggest lesson: the market doesn't make the investment, you do. Before purchasing, calculate mortgage payments, taxes, insurance, vacancy, repairs, property management, capital expenditures, and realistic rent. Then stress test the deal against higher expenses and lower rent.